because you don't know what to wear. Like you have many clothes in the wardrobe, but nothing suits your mood and your function today. Like every girl, they have the song like, oh, I have a lot of wardrobe, but then every day I say that I don't have anything to wear. And the team flash up with a solution in terms of AI stylish will help you. And the team, the stage will be yours, and I would like to invite Miss Ling from the V2T solution. Please come to the preparation area.
Hello everyone, this is my friend Ming, and he was announced that he was in the top 10 finalists of AI Innovative Challenge. He was so excited and acknowledging the formality of the final round, he immediately ordered a vest from an online shopping platform. And this is how he wished it would look like. But it turns out, you can see that it is way too different in terms of the form, the color, the materials, everything. And this is such a big problem of online shopping. And this is also resulted in a 30% return rate, which negatively affects both the customer and the brands. So why the customer felt dissatisfied? Because the brands could not meet their three main requirements, which are fit, quality, and fashionable factors. And this also hindered the brands from massive development. And this is our problem statement. And to solve all the problems, we came up with FASH. What is FASH? FASH is an e-commerce fashion platform that applies generative AI, virtual try-ons, and AI assistants to enhance the customer shopping online experience. And we have three unique selling points. First, AI virtual try-on. Second, AI shopping assistance. And last, AI quality checking. And we will discuss this in detail in the following cards.
Okay, so moving on to the market analysis of ours, we can see on the data, which shows that the e-commerce industry in Vietnam is really on the rising. So there's a potential market for us to in turn become the first professional fashion e-commerce in Vietnam ever that focus on the shopping online experience. Also, when discovering the insights of customer needs, we found out and we came to a conclusion that we are on the right track of winning this market by prioritizing the customer experience when shopping online. When compare us to the other competitors, which is the e-commerce in Vietnam, omni-channel brands on the world, and even Google, we excel in both technologies and qualities. When Google can only provide customer with 2D forms and models, and also the omni-channel brands cannot provide the authenticity, the images of brands, of models when customers try on virtually. We can solve all that by providing the display in 3Ds. Also, e-commerce in Vietnam cannot ensure the quality of clothes. We can solve it by providing the quality checking AI.
So how exactly will our AI work? We'll have a look on our technology overview. So we will be mainly focusing on the AI virtual try-on system. This is how we differentiate us, our company, from other competitors in the same industry. From 2D to dimensional experience, we create a 3-dimensional virtual try-on system where the customer will be able to customize their output from a 3D avatar. So firstly, we will collect input from various sources, such as the clothing description, various images from various poses, and the customers. And the output will going to be a 3D model which can customize and do various animations so that we can expect something from the data from the model. These are data sets that we are going to be used, and further customer samples will be used to refine and improve our data. The first model that we will introduce is the 3D model, which utilizes a machine learning model called SMP5, which is capable to transform 2D images into 3D models with this architecture and machine learning technique called federated learning, so that we can secure the privacy. And these are evaluation methods to improve our model. These four algorithms we use in this order to change 2D images from the 3D joints into 3D meshes and 3D models. The second and the third modules that we are to introduce are 3D animating and 3D virtual fitting modules, where various algorithms and architecture will be used to animate our generated model, and generative adversarial network will generate virtual trial result to accommodate our users. This is a graph for how our systems will turn 2D images into a estimate 3D poses and then generate 3D trial result. The second main service that we provide is the AI shopping assistant, where we will identify the weak appearance features of the customer so that we can provide a personal style, personal analysis, and then provide different garment recommendation according to the personal preferences. And last but not least, the AI quality checking will be used in the future plan to verify authentication documents, and then to require image from products from different angles to verify the products.
And now we go through the user flow and user interface. After you have your account, you can freely shopping on our platform. You can find your style and you can create your own personal closet. When you find the item, and we'll give you a list, and then you click on that, you can choose to add to cart or you can try on. And our system will scan your body. We will know that every part of your body, and we also use our personal color matching system so that we can suggest which color is best suited for your skin. And for example, if you have this trouser and you cannot find them on any platforms, but you want to mix and match with it, we have something for you. You can actually scan your own item, and our system will convert your video or your image into 3D model and just get it into your personal closet.
Regarding the ethic concern, AI may encounter four risks, which is the data privacy, fairness and bias, accountability, and socio-economic. Among those four, that data privacy is the most alarming risk we need to mitigate, and we will use the federated learning to locally train the data of customers and also to send the consent form for them. For other risks, we also have effective solutions for each.
Wow, what an interesting solution. So when it will be put in the real business, who will be our end user? So our end users are segmented into three main groups. However, we only focus on the group of people ages from 17 to 37. Since these group has their main pain points is wasting time and money to purchase and return products that does not come to their expectations. And our vendors, our initial vendors, will be SMEs, especially local brands, since we believe that local brands in Vietnam can provide us with quality products in an affordable price. Our business is a B2B business with the role of an intermediary. We offer SMEs, especially local brands in Vietnam, a chance to enhance their customer service and a chance to approach their potential customer.
And this is our go-to-market strategy. About the distribution channels, it is online presence, and we will make it available on Apple App Store and Google Play Store. And we will also have the collaborations strategies with fashion brands and also with the third-party logistic providers like delivery or storage. And we also have many programs for the user experience and also the market coverage. About our promotion strategies, we plan IMC plan that focus on digital marketing. We focus the most on Facebook and TikTok, and we also have partnerships and collaborations. And for traditional marketing, we focus the most on holding events that using the chaos as the demo for users. And this is our roadmap.
For the environmental sustainability commitment, we benefit from our available AI and our business to reduce the need for physical sample, reduce CO2 waste, and reduce garments waste or overproduction. Moreover, we can encourage partners to become sustainable by our policy of business model.
For the financial plan, you can look further in the the sheet that we gave you before. And with fashion, I believe that everyone can be a stylish, and every penny spent on fashion is worth it. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Team Flash Up, for your presentation. And the judges, please ask them further question to investigate. Oh, wow. Can I invite Mr. Biro?
Yeah, thank you very much, guys. I think it was a very good presentation. One of my question is that you are mentioning a lot of technology, AI, and all these things. So first question is in regards of your team. That what about your tech team behind the company? Or behind the idea. So there's one. And the second is, I assume that you are using mainly the open source models, whether it's the posture model, movement models, and all these things. So how you make sure that you are different from others? You mentioned Shopee, Lazada, and all these other guys. They potentially can easily make it the same like you. So what is the special uniqueness of yours there?
First of all, I would like to thank you for our questions, but can you please verify the first one because I didn't quite catch it.
Yeah, you mentioned we in the tech overview that you mentioned. So I'm very interested who is we and who is behind this technology, making sure that the technology stack will be there for the fashion.
Oh, for our team, I'm the AI expertise, so I do control and to manage the AI system, and then we do discuss with each other, but I'm the main person who I have the opportunity to control this system. Well, for the second questions, I believe these are all the open AI system that we can find online, but however, our system is harder to, I think, to clone because of the fact that we do utilize 3 different AI working with each other in a customizable way that only our FASH Up business that can provide the experience for the customers. The 3 AI systems we did presented were the AI virtual try system, which is special due to the 3-dimensional technology rather than the 2-dimensional, and the other 2 were the personal shopping assistant, right? And at the same time recommending different fashion products according to the personal preferences, and also the quality checking to check all the products and the authenticity of different fashion brands so that we can ensure the experience of the customer.
For our unique selling points, we believe that we doesn't just like solve the problems from our end user, but we also solve the problems from our vendors, which are local brands for initial brand. And we believe that when we solve both their problems, not just one side, this is what set us out. And moreover, we have the second elements is our combinations of 3 AIs. And I believe that with fashion, the fashion industry overall in Vietnam can even develop more in the future, because we don't just care about our end user, our customer. We also have a far more visions to develop and to advocate local brands in Vietnam, so that in the far future we want to help and we want to support local brands and the industry fashion in Vietnam.
Thank you. Any question from the judge? Yes, Professor Hồng.
Yes, thank you. It's quite interesting subjects actually. Quite into the fashion things. And let's go to AI stylish, as I can see. So how do you deal with the real-time solution? Because you know the fashion changes very fast, and the size is gone. Even when you find something online, I'm not sure that the size is there. So how do you deal with that?
Well, first of all, thank you for the overall question. And so I believe due to the complexity of the fashion industry nowadays, the rapidly changing demand and the rapidly changing variety of fashion products does affect our efficiency of our model. But however, we do have a strict and a strong connection between our e-commerce platform and our brand and our fashion brand, so that if any changes upon the size and the the type of products will be updated as soon as possible. Because we do work closely with every fashion brands that we have online. So if you have the problems of not finding your suitable size on our e-platform, then our recommendation system will identify your size, your personal appearance, so that I can recommend you a similar product from different brands, I think, without you having to go and find it yourself. And
and about the size, because many brands, they varies in the size. Maybe in brand A, they will have the 38 size, maybe just 5 centimeters, but in other brands, it will different. So we will create a system that we will have our, we'll adjust it that it will suit. For example, like if our user are already used the size 38 in this brand, but if they change to the other brand, so if they still choose the 38 size, we will suggest them to change, because these brands have the different size chart compared to that brand. So we can make sure that the end user will not confused about the sizing problems.
Thank you, the team, and I hope that this answer helped the question from the professor home. Thank you so much, team, and congratulations on completing your presentation. And before moving